Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You see guys, there are so many animals here, but before I review it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay guys, so let's start it now. See, this is a leopard. You see, they have black spots on their bodies. And then, this is a tiger. You know that tiger is a powerful and colorful species of big cat. And then, this is a koi fish. You see, their bodies generally grow quite large. Many have long flowing fins and most have colorful bodies. And then, this is a cow. You see, the cattle tend to be stocky with long rectangular bodies. And then, this is ant. You know, the ants live in colonies that are useful for working together to find food and make nests and also protect themselves. And then, this is a snake. Snakes range in size from the size of a worm to many feet long. Their skins contain scales that may be smooth or rich. And then, this is a horse. You know, the horse has a long tail itself to maintain the horse's balance when they walk or running. And then, this is an elephant. Elephants are the largest living land animals. They have long trunks, ivory tusks, and huge head with wide ears. And then, this is a cat. To some people, cats are the perfect pets, intelligent, calming companions, and capable of dealing with their own exercise and cleaning. And then, this is a dog. You know that dogs are known to be faithful and loyal companions and also protective of their masters. And then, this is a sheep. Sheep has curly hair and sheep can produce wool all the time. And then, this is a butterfly. You see, butterflies have antennae that detect the scent of the stamens. And then, this is a wolf. You see, the wolf has sharp canines and nails. And then, this is a seal. Seals are generally small and rather large. And then, this is a goldfish. Goldfish have many colors and goldfish have a body shape that tends to be short and round. And then, this is a stingray. Stingray have a black and white body and have a very long tail. And then, this is a grasshopper. You see, it has a pair of antennae on its head which function to detect movement and temperature changes. And then, this is a crab. You see, it has a hard shell and sharp claws. And the last is, this is a spider. You know that spiders are able to make webs from their saliva. Okay guys, I have reviewed it all, so stay tuned on my next video. See you, bye bye.